Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am out again for a road trip, and this time I am going to Bokkali. So the thing is that for last 3 months I have not been to any places. Last 6 months mainly. After March I have not been there for the COVID situation, but I cannot stay at home anymore. So I got out and we are traveling to Bokkali. This is a short one-day trip. We'll plan a big trip soon. So yeah, we will go by car through the Davandarbad road and I will travel straight towards Namkhana. So that is the route through Amtola in the Behala side. You can take the straight road to there is a national highway, I guess. I don't remember the name, but we will go straight towards Namkhana. So this is the route. Hey guys, we have stopped here in this hotel or dhawa, sort of roadside dhawa, to have our breakfast. We will have puri torkari. Puri sabji, you can say. In Bengali we say as luchi torkari, and some sweets also. And we will have some tea, freshen up a bit, and then we will go towards Bokkali. I will show you the road. First let me have my snacks. So the snacks is ready. This is what we will have for breakfast now. And sanitizer is a must. So this is our stay, Doipayan homestay, just adjacent to the beach. You can see the beach here, and like the homestay is pretty big. This is the reception, that side. This one is the reception. There is a small pond type thing is there where we can sit in the night and relax. And they are trying to extend the hotel also. Some like the construction is going on, and this is our hotel. You can just see, like from the balcony, as I showed you, we can have a lovely view. Just from the balcony, we can have the total view of the beach. So at night also we can chill there, sit there and relax. So pretty good deal. The room is around 1300 for non-AC room. As this is winter time, we don't need AC. For AC, I think the rates will be a bit higher, and the food's extra. But for 1300, this close to the beach, pretty good deal, I will say. Other hotels are also here, you can see. This is our room. Just see the room. It's a big room with AC, TV. There is a bulb washroom. The washroom is a bit small. And this is the main thing, the main attraction, the balcony from where we can see the sea view. So guys, I have reached Bokkali. I have checked in my hotel, and you can see this is the beach. In the beach. So this is the Bokkali beach. The water has receded back to a long distance. It is almost 3 p.m. So we cannot expect a high tide during this time. So the water level is very far away from the location where I am in. So we have to go that side. I will go towards the water. We will not have a bath. Maybe not. Maybe I will. It depends on my wish. If I go there and I cannot resist myself, maybe I will have a dip. But otherwise, my plan is to soak my feet, and that's it. And there are a lot of crowds here. You see the number of crowd here. People. This is 25th December, vacation time. People have been locked down in home. They have been locked up in home actually for a long time, almost like 6 or 7 months, and they have become restless because everything has a limit. I also think so. This lockdown thing and COVID situation has been going for a long time. So people have come out of their home finally. They are traveling to a lot of places. I have seen updates in my Facebook, like people are going. Many of my friends are also going to the mountain side, North Bengal side, the Himachal side. And yeah, Digha, from our home, from Kolkata, the weekend getaway option is very few, if we can say, for one day trip. So the Digha side, there is Digha, Tajpur, Mandarmoni, and this side there is Bokkali, Henry Island, Diamond Harbour. So many people are here in Bokkali. This road is totally muddy. I think the water was here during the tide time and they have decided back. So if I think better to go that way. Yeah. So this is the hotel where we had our lunch. We were very much hungry. So here we got a meal system. You can see the hotel is clean. They are serving with a disposable plate, not like use and throw plates. And we had fish curry, pomfret fish curry, rice, aloo fry. We had a nice lunch. It was clean and healthy, and we are filled now. So you can see it's very crowded here. This is Bokkali and 25th December. Just see the crowd. Unbelievable amount of people here. Unbelievable amount. Okay, so after lunch we are back in the beach and it is sunset time. You can see too many people here, each and every side. The moon is also in the sky. Great. This side moon, this side sun. That's a rare thing. So you can see the water is still far away, but the people are gathering here to watch the sunset. Bokkali beach live sunset view. So this is something special. And I don't know, in the video maybe it will not feel that much, which I can see from here, but still it's looking good. So we are at the beach in the evening, and this is the evening time. It is totally dark, but place is very much crowded with lots of shops, and the main attraction of the sea beach is this fish market. So you can find lots of fish. The items, you can see the big fishes, the prawns, the crabs, lots of fishes. They will cook according to your choice, and it is like they will take like 100 rupees plate, and they can prepare curry, they can prepare fry, they can like prepare dry fry, everything. So just have a look at this.